A. The letter A has different sounds. Let us learn them one by one. Rule 1. A sounds like ah. Example: all, ball, wall, car, call. Rule 2. A sounds like a. This is a short sound. Example: an, cat, can, fan, dad. Rule 3. A sounds like air. Example: dare, care, share, fair, spare. Rule 4. When a comes before y or I. A sounds like a long a. Example: bay, day, pay, main, brain. Rule 5. When a is followed by a consonant and then e. A also sounds like a short a. Example: cage, base, pail, race, tape. Thank you for listening.